Let's go ahead and get n8n properly set up on the server so everything is running smoothly. To do that, let's first go to the top right and click on Manage App. Now you'll set up your n8n account by entering your email, first name, last name, and password. Once you have all that information filled out, go down and click on Next. Next, you'll see an option to get paid features for free. You can do this by entering your email to receive a license key. Make sure the email shown here is correct. It should be the same one that you just used during signup. From here, click on Send Me a Free License Key. And this is going to send an email to your inbox with an activation code and a link. Once it comes through, just follow the link in the email, and the steps from there are pretty straightforward. So I'll click on Send Me a Free License Key. Nice, and now we've signed up for n8n. From here, you'll have the option to create your first workflow. You can either start from scratch or try out a simple AI agent example. Both are good ways to test things out and see how everything works. Now for the next step, we need to make sure we verify our Hostinger account. So if you navigate back to the email that you used for your Hostinger signup, you should see a message titled Verify Your Email Address. Go ahead and open this, then click on the purple Verify Email button. Perfect. Now our email address is verified, and as you can see here, our VPS is now successfully running.